What's up, guys? So today we are going to unbox. We're gonna unboxing. Hold on. So I have a toy. That's my table here. You guys might be thinking, Jeremy, why are you in an abandoned warehouse? This isn't a warehouse. This is a soccer, practice thing. I just came here to stop by because I just wanted to open this. This is AC/DC. Yeah. This is him here. What is freaking face? What the freak is that? So, we can open it. No way, do I need to take off the tape? If I do, I'm gonna get so pissed. I'm gonna get pissed. Put up, let me see my teeth. Doesn't matter. If you're wondering why am I opening it like this, it's because I had to use tape to open it, and I couldn't, so I'm just opening it like this. No, I already got it. Look, see? See? I suck at these things. Take a look. Are you serious, my brother? No way. Okay. I'm just gonna take this. You off. Oh shoot. Sorry. It does it. What? Okay, so we have the box. Put the box back in. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god. You have it. Oh shoot, there's another box on top of it. What the heck? But how? How do I do this? Oh, there's a little thing right here. Pop out. Oh, wow. Magnificent. Oh, I love that dish. Here's his guitar. Here are his hands. His other hand. And his sticker. Why am I sounding dumb? It came with the box. I don't want it. Oh, he already just came up. Oh my god, he moves so nice. This is nice. Look at him. I can't move his head. Well, that's bad. That's not good. Well, that's the end of the video. Bye.